If you're seeing AutoCAD Error 340 and the sign-in window will not pop up or render, don't worry, this is usually caused by a corrupted background web browser component that AutoCAD uses for login. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try at home, and if this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to update Autodesk Identity Manager. This is important because the login system depends on it, and if it's outdated or broken, AutoCAD may fail to load the sign-in window properly. Open the Autodesk Access app on your computer. If you don't already have it open, you can search for Autodesk Access from the Start menu and launch it. Once it opens, check for available updates. Look specifically for an update related to Autodesk Identity Manager. Then install the latest version. After the update is finished, give it a moment to complete fully. If it asks you to restart your computer, it's a good idea to do that before moving on. A fresh restart helps make sure the updated components load correctly and removes any temporary issues that may still be hanging around in memory. Next, we're going to clear the identity cache. This step helps fix problems caused by damaged login data stored on your system. To do this, open File Explorer and in the address bar type %localappdata %\autodesk\identity services. Press enter and you should be taken directly to that folder location. Inside that directory, look for a folder called WebView2. This folder is part of the embedded browser component AutoCAD uses to display the sign-in screen. If it becomes corrupted, the login window may fail to appear completely. Delete the entire WebView2 folder. Don't just open it and remove a few files. You want to remove the full folder so Windows can rebuild it cleanly the next time AutoCAD needs it. Once that's done, empty the recycle bin if needed, and then reopen AutoCAD to test the sign-in screen again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the error and restore the login window. If it still doesn't work, there's one more very important thing to check. Turn off any active VPN or proxy server on your computer. VPNs and proxy settings can interfere with the internal web redirection that AutoCAD uses to show the login page. Even if your internet seems fine, these tools can block or reroute the connection in a way that stops the sign-in window from loading. If you're using a VPN app, disconnect it completely. If you're using a proxy, go into your network settings and make sure it's turned off. Then close AutoCAD and open it again. Try signing in one more time to see if the issue is resolved. So to recap, the fix for AutoCAD Error 340 is to update Autodesk Identity Manager, delete the WebView2 folder inside the Identity Services directory, and disable any VPN or proxy that may be blocking the login component. These 3 steps solve the issue for many users and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if the fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.